All right. So this is my book. Thank you, Mommy. When I first started the course, I wasn't sure what I really wanted to write about. I've had a lot of different scripts that were available in my notes on my computer. And I know I actually started this process during my paternity leave. And during this paternity leave, it's not so much more that I realized how much my wife did. I always appreciated and understood how much she did. But this time she was working out of the home and we had 2 kids and I was by myself. And there was times I was trying to wonder how she actually did it all. You know, with our first kid or even with our second one, there's times I didn't even know when the laundry was done, right? Like it was just one day it was there, the next day it was put away. So I wrote this and illustrated it to kind of, and I'll show you inside, just to kind of talk about all the different things that my wife does for our children, whether it's about taking care of their body or playing with them or feeding them nutritious foods. I wanted to celebrate her, but also celebrate all moms across the world as well.
That's perfect. Good job.
Awesome.